Love is in the air, so let's make some heart-shaped homemade Pop-Tarts. These are super easy, super delicious. Let's start with some pie crust and a cookie cutter, and let's get ourselves some hearts cut out. Get those separated. Now put cherry pie filling on half of your hearts. I found for the size I made, 3 cherries was the perfect amount. You don't want too much or you don't want too little. And then let's get those covered up. Crimp the sides. Let's get an egg wash on there. And then I air fried mine. So I preheated my air fryer to 375 degrees, air fried them for 5 to 8 minutes. They came out absolutely perfect. Let them cool and then let's decorate them. I used the Walmart cookie icing, which is delicious. You do need to get those sprinkles on immediately. It dries quick. And there you have it. Absolutely adorable and delicious. So easy to make. You can even do these with the kids if you like. Have them help you decorate or surprise them with a special breakfast. Enjoy, everyone.